You can order the taillight used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To replace the taillight on your vehicle, you need to open the tailgate. To detach the taillight assembly from the vehicle body, remove the 2 screws with a T15 Torx screwdriver. You can now extract the taillight from its slot. To remove the light bulb sockets, turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. Now it's time to remove the power supply harness from the light bulbs. You can access the connectors from underneath the vehicle. Unlock the electrical connector. To do this, pull on the red tab with the small fork. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Then pry on the taillight power cable retaining clips using the fork. Disconnect the electrical connector. Finally, remove the 3rd clip. You can now remove the power cable. Remember to mark where the cable runs. This will help you in reassembling. You can order the taillight used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new taillight. All the bulbs are supplied with it. Remove the cable from the taillight assembly. Feed the new cable through the opening provided. Put the sockets into the taillight housing and turn them clockwise to lock them in place. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Screw the 2 holding screws back in. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Put the first power cable fastening clip back in place. Feed the cable through the opening marked when disassembling. Plug the electrical connector back in. Then clip it back on its support. Put the last clip back in place. Lastly, lock the electrical connector with the retaining tab. Operation complete.